Welcome back, Flamingos. Today I'm going to give you my top 5 attractions/rides to avoid on your next Universal trip. Hey Flamingos, so I have been to Universal Studios here in Florida multiple times now as an annual pass holder. And I want to share some of my experiences with you so maybe you don't waste your time on some of these rides/attractions that, in my opinion, if you're coming on a once-in-a-lifetime trip or a trip that is short and you want to hit highlights, that you're not wasting your precious park time on some of these attractions. So with that being said, I'm going to give you my top 5 that I think you should avoid, and they're in no particular order. All right, so my number 1 is going to be Poseidon's Fury. So this attraction has just recently reopened, and the coolest part about this attraction is the water tunnel. However, that being said, it can be a long wait in the heat, and then you get into the air-conditioned tunnel section, and the attraction itself, it's a show. It's not a ride. You have to walk, you have to stand through the whole thing. It's not that good. It really isn't. Like, I wanted it to be, and it's just not. So unless you can literally wait no more than 15 minutes, absolutely no more than 15 minutes, I recommend just skipping it. I think you'll be happier that you do something else. Now, is the area cool? Yes. Definitely take pictures there because it's a very beautiful area. I just wouldn't waste a lot of time here. All right, my number 2 is going to be Fast and the Furious Supercharged. So I'm sorry to all of you that absolutely love the series. I used to like it back in the day. I have kind of fell out of that realm though. So it could have been better. Like the walkthrough queue is kind of cool. It's got some neat little hidden details, Easter eggy things. And the pre-show is kind of cute. But then the actual ride is lacking and underwhelming. When you think Fast and the Furious, you think fast cars, and this is not that. You get to see some in virtual kind of video screen things, and you're on a bus, and you're supposed to be going to a party, and you kind of get there, and then you kind of have to leave, and then you kind of never get back to the party, which was the whole point of the ride. So I would just pass. It's just a hard pass for me. Now, I do recommend that you walk around the outside and in the gift shop. They do have some really cool cars sitting outside that you can take some photo ops with. Number 3. So this one may hurt some feelings, and I'm sorry. Rip Ride Rocket. This is a coaster, and it is fun. It's not amazing, and if you don't have time to ride it, you're not missing a whole lot. It is kind of fun to select your music. I have a couple that I really enjoy to pick when I do ride this attraction. I typically don't wait more than 15 minutes for this. And even then, a lot of times I'll keep walking. And the reason why is that the attraction desperately needs a refurbishment. A lot of times you're gonna wait a long time because most of the seats in a train aren't working, and so there's only a few people that get on a train at a time. So that increases wait times. And then the trains themselves are kind of rough. So it's jarring. It bang you up a little bit. So there are so many other excellent coasters in this park. I know some people think that the Hulk is a little jarring, but to me, the Hulk is smooth compared to this thing. So that's my recommendation. If you have to pick one coaster that you just don't have time for, I recommend bypassing Rip Ride Rocket. All right, my number 4. So let me just say before I say it, I am a 1980s baby and I do have some nostalgia for E.T. That being said, I just can't recommend this ride. It's cute. That's as much as it gets. It's a slow ride. It's not very thrilling. The animatronics are old. The whole set is old. And I mean, if you love E.T., then go ride this ride. If you don't love E.T., if you're not familiar with E.T., just pass it. It's just not worth, you know, a long wait. Now, if you can hop on it in like 5 minutes and you really want to ride it, knock yourself out. Maybe even 10 minutes. 10 minutes tops. I wouldn't wait in line more than that for this ride. Again, it's cute. One of the best parts of the whole attraction, in my opinion, when it works, is when they take your name at the beginning of the attraction and then E.T. says your name at the end of the attraction. And then the other kind of highlight to this attraction is the cute photos that you can get at the end of the attraction. But that can be a little bit of a wait if there are other people trying to do it, because there's only one person doing the photos and it's like a 2-set thing. So keep that in mind. You know, don't hate me. I do like E.T. and I have ridden this ride twice now. If you have to ride the ride, if you can, try to sit either in the front row or on the sides, so that way you're seeing something. It's so hard to see when you're in the backer rows or in the middle. So there you go. All right, here it is, my number 5. So the Simpsons land is very cute, very well themed. I love doing the hide and seek. If you're not familiar with that, check out one of my other videos talking about hide and seek. And it's great for like taking photos. I love taking photos in there. It's a joy. But they have a ride in there, and it's the Simpsons Ride. I can't remember the exact name of it, but it's a simulator, and it's not great for a simulator. Some people complain about motion sickness. It's okay. I've done it once. I won't be doing it again unless somebody has come to visit me and they just absolutely have to do it. I would do it if I loved you. I'm not gonna do it of my own free will. I don't personally get sick on it, so motion sickness isn't an issue for me, but it's not worth whatever. I would even say a 5-minute wait would be acceptable for this ride, because it's just not that good in my opinion. So there you go, guys. There's my top 5. If you have recommendations for other rides or attractions that you think people should skip, or if you think I'm wrong, please let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Also, please remember to like. This really helps out a lot, guys. I need those likes so that YouTube thinks that I'm doing something. So yeah, please like, share, subscribe. If you subscribe and comment on any of my videos, it puts you in for a chance to win the prize pack when I hit 1,000 subscribers. Thanks so much, and until next time, shake a tail feather.